Hi, how are you? Today, we are going to thoroughly address the important question of whether it is truly possible to obtain a refund for a Zelle payment that has already been sent. And, well, yes and no, okay? Well, what happens is that once the Zelle money is sent directly to another account, at that point, there's really nothing you can do, okay? The transfer has already been sent. Here in Activity, in the Zelle section, we click here on View Activity, and then select Zelle. We can see all the Zelle activity. If we send a certain amount of money, okay, to another account, right? Then, if that person receives it, it's immediately up to them to return it. We can't request a refund as such, okay? We have to talk to that person and have them return the money to us. Now, if the person you sent the money to doesn't have a Zelle affiliated account, you simply have to wait until the money is returned or recredited, right? And well, that's basically it. This really makes things easier and you shouldn't have any major issues with that. And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.